Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where Final Cut Pro stores media and confirm external drives are mounted. This prevents accidental deletion. Next, go to File Delete Generated Library Files and choose Render Files and Optimized Media. That frees big chunks of space quickly. Make sure to back up the library first to a different drive or cloud. Once done, you can safely remove unreferenced files. These steps target large temporary files, so your system regains usable storage fast. Now you focus on the middle of the workflow. Identify heavy media and redundant projects. You should sort clips by size in the browser and remove duplicates or low-quality proxies. This directly reduces library weight. Consolidate timelines into a single project when possible, then delete old project versions you no longer need. Before deleting clips, relink media to confirm nothing important goes offline. If relinking fails, detach and archive assets elsewhere. These steps balance space savings with maintaining project integrity. Finish by emptying Final Cut Pro's trash and checking the library package in Finder for residual large files. Remove camera archives and exported XMLs or media you've already archived elsewhere. They're common hidden culprits. After cleaning, restart Final Cut and check free disk space to confirm success. If something goes wrong and a project is missing, immediately stop and restore from the backup you made earlier. That fallback prevents data loss while you safely repeat selective deletions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.